Oh, last time, dude, I was sitting here and 15 minutes in and it started to yawn. Oh, yeah.
This is a great way to end the night.
I know, I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating.
Yeah. The back of this is crisp.
I ain't just hot, like I'm getting a little moist.
Greg saw a Versatech Yeti and was like, man, I hope this is nobody.
How do I get one?
If this
They got extras like the ball activity? They got all that stuff.
if this goes viral,
The one that has a new outfit every damn day?
guys, if this goes viral, I'll say everyone's who's in it.
Remember to clip that part.
You guys, you know what? You guys have to tell everyone at Versatech about this. Like, we'll start the bonfire part.
When do you start getting paid? Somebody jump over the fire. Great.
Well,
Jump over the fire. I know.
I am 700.
We'll all be rich if you jump over the fire. Take one for the team and take some bones.
One for the team? You mean my life for the team?
It just pool ball.
I did pole vaulting back in high school. I need proper run, get your floor, drive the knee.
Yeah, this needs to be out everywhere.
This is all people in Indiana do. This got cornfields and have long. Jeremy was here, he could test.
Really? You're unbelievable.
Did we get huh?
No.